Sehat ki Param Shanti. Welcome to our channel Bapuji Dashrath Bhai Patel. Bapuji is explaining about Brahmapuri. Param Shanti. I will explain you about Brahmapuri of our solar system. You know that Brahma do the creation and he stays in Brahmapuri. Some demons also remembers Brahma, so they can also reach up to Brahmapuri. And they troubles Brahma. Deities can also come to Brahmapuri, but deities do only less austerity because they are luxurious. Indra and only 5 elemental deities, that is Panchadev, are allowed to come to this Brahmapuri. All deities can't come here. Who do austerity and remembers Brahma, only they can come up to Brahmapuri. Only they have that boon. Remaining souls who do austerity, they live in Taplok and Satyalok. The souls who are aware of the truth, they goes to their solar systems. This Brahmapuri is very big. Nearly it may 16 crore yojana. May it is bigger than this. Souls lives in this Brahmapuri also. We can see a little bit of illusion here in this Brahmapuri. This is little illusive world. Here we can see the situation as in Indralok, because demons also comes here and stays here in Brahmapuri. They tries to spoil Brahmapuri, means here in Brahmapuri a little bit of luxury will be there. Not that much as in Indralok. Here in Brahmapuri there are good quality souls than in Swargalok. The quality of their settled body will be good enough with 3 elements, that is air, fire and ether elements. This layer is very good layer. The souls of Swargalok and Narkalok worships Brahma, so they slowly reaches Brahmapuri. Swargalok souls can come here by doing austerity. The souls of 7 lower planes and the souls of above planes of earth can also reach us up to Brahmapuri by worshipping Brahma. Brahmapuri is very big one and souls lives here. Everyone knows that this solar system runs according to Brahma. Brahma's one day is equal to 1000 Chaturyugas on earth. On coming to Brahmapuri, if souls want to go to Vishnupuri, they remembers Vishnu. If the souls of other solar system have the knowledge that we have to go to above planes, they do penance to reach there. Mostly souls don't stay forever here in this Brahmapuri. Those who wants to go to Vishnupuri, they are high quality souls and they reaches Vishnupuri. Up to Brahmapuri, 3 simple elements exist. Brahmapuri is in 3 simple elements. In Vishnupuri, 50% supreme elements, that means 50% of supreme air, supreme fire and supreme ether elements are there, and 50% simple 3 elements are there. That's why demons can't reach Vishnupuri. Those who have demonic qualities or having less quality of positivity, they can't reach Vishnupuri. To reach Vishnupuri, soul must be complete Satopradhan, that means positivity. The souls who worships Vishnu on earth, those who have complete faith in Vishnu or firm to Vaishnavism, those souls goes to Brahmapuri and from there they reaches up to Vishnupuri. In Dwapar Yuga, there are only 2 denominations, Vaishnavism and Saivism. At the end of Treta Yuga, Vishnu's incarnation was done as Ram. Enter Dwapar Yuga, there are only Vaishnavism and Saivism. In Kali Yuga, now different religions, caste and creed came since 4000 years. Who are firm to Vaishnavism and worships Vishnu, they goes to Vishnupuri or Vishnulok from Brahmapuri. And those who are firm to Saivism reaches Sehat ki